The human is on the computer.
Oh my God! Again!
You do realize this is going on YouTube, right?
I can do it. Okay, come on.
Check out the shoes, man. Converse, yeah, all stars.
Yeah, huge.
Nice butt, by the way.
What?
I got your butt on camera. What is that? Oh, that's my iTunes.
Stupid thing will listen to me.
Don't you have a computer?
I said work. No. Well, I do, but the internet doesn't work and it was like a second. I don't know. Really. Dude! I can't wait until that thing like runs out of batteries. I want to destroy it.
You should just, no, that's my second one.
No.
She already destroyed the first one.
And why are you pointing at yourself?
She wanted to wave. Hello.
Just put it, I guarantee you, just put yourself on YouTube.
Get it off of me.
Oh, wait, hold on.
My God. Help him with that music, Bob, okay? Show him how to do it.
She knows how to do it, she's done it.
See who's on the phone.